Alright guys, check this out. The KEDIERS W01-2 PC case. First impressions? Super sleek, and for the price, it's packed with features. I mean, 7 pre-installed PWM fans? That's insane. Most cases at this price point maybe give you 1 or 2, if you're lucky. And these aren't just any fans, they're ARGB, so you can customize the lighting to match your build. Plus, they're PWM, meaning you can control the fan speed for optimal cooling and noise levels. 6 of them are 120 millimeters, and you even get a little 90 millimeters exhaust fan in the back. Seriously, the cooling potential here is fantastic. Now let's talk aesthetics. This thing has tempered glass on 3 sides, front, top, and side, giving you a full panoramic view of your components. It's like a little showcase for your build. The side panel is a hinged door, which makes accessing your components super easy. No more fiddling with thumb screws every time you want to tinker. The overall design is clean and modern, with a nice black finish. The front I/O panel is surprisingly well equipped. You get 2 USB 3.0 ports, a Type-C port, and an HD audio jack. It's everything you need, and the Type-C port is a nice touch for modern peripherals. Inside, there's plenty of room for a full ATX motherboard, multiple graphics cards, and a bunch of storage drives. You can fit up to 3 HDDs and 3 SSDs, which is more than enough for most people. Cable management is also a breeze, thanks to the well-placed cutouts and tie-down points. They've clearly thought about airflow too, with plenty of space for radiators if you want to go with liquid cooling. You can even fit a 360mm radiator at the front without interfering with your RAM, which is a big plus. One thing that really impressed me is the build quality. The case feels solid and well-constructed. The tempered glass is thick and sturdy, and the overall fit and finish is excellent. It doesn't feel cheap at all, especially considering the price. So, who is this case for? I'd say it's perfect for anyone building a mid-range to high-end gaming PC on a budget. You get a ton of features for your money, including those 7 PWM fans, the tempered glass panels, and the spacious interior. It's also a great option for first-time builders, as it's easy to work with and has plenty of room for upgrades down the line. Overall, I'm really impressed with the KEDIERS W01-2. It's a fantastic value for the price, and it looks great too. If you're looking for a stylish and functional PC case without breaking the bank, definitely check this one out. It might just be the best budget PC case of 2024.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.